Hello. Welcome back, my friend. How are you today? I hope you're feeling relaxed and comfortable right now. Maybe you're listening while walking, maybe while resting, maybe while working quietly. Wherever you are, thank you for being here. Today's episode is very special because we're going to talk about something everyone understands. No difficult topic, no complicated ideas, just daily life. Today's topic is English conversation for daily routine. This podcast will help you understand real English, learn useful daily sentences, feel confident listening to English, and slowly improve your speaking. Remember, you don't need to repeat everything. Just listen. Your brain is learning naturally. Part 1. Morning routine. Start your day in English. Let's start with the morning. For many people, the morning decides the whole day. So let me ask you, what time do you wake up? Some people wake up early. Some people wake up late. Both are okay. For me, I try to wake up early. Not too early, just early enough to feel calm. When I wake up, the first thing I do is open my eyes slowly. I don't jump out of bed. I take a deep breath and say to myself, okay, it's a new day. This is a very simple sentence, but it's powerful. Then I sit on my bed for a moment. I stretch my arms. I stretch my neck. I don't touch my phone immediately. Many people touch their phone first thing in the morning. Messages, social media, news, but that can make the mind tired very early. Instead, I like to keep my morning quiet. Then I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I wash my face. Cold water wakes me up. Sometimes I look in the mirror and smile at myself. Yes, I really do that. And I say, let's have a good day. This is real life English. Simple, natural, useful. Morning activities and simple English. After washing my face, I usually drink a glass of water. Water is important. Sometimes I say, I need water. I feel thirsty. Then I prepare breakfast. My breakfast is usually simple. Maybe eggs, bread, fruit, tea or coffee. Nothing fancy. While making breakfast, I sometimes talk to myself in English. I say things like, I'm making breakfast. I'm hungry. This smells good. Talking to yourself is not strange. It's smart. This is how you practice English without pressure. After breakfast, I sit down for a few minutes. I enjoy my tea or coffee. I don't rush. I say, this is a nice morning. Getting ready for the day. Now it's time to get ready. I take a shower. Warm water helps me relax. While showering, I think about my day. I ask myself, what do I need to do today? What is important today? Then I get dressed. I choose comfortable clothes. Sometimes I say, I like this shirt. These clothes feel comfortable. Again, real English. Then I check the time. Oh, it's getting late. I need to hurry. Very common sentences. Leaving home and daily movement. When I leave my house, I take a deep breath. Fresh air feels good. If I walk, I enjoy the movement. If I drive or take public transport, I look outside. Sometimes I think, the weather is nice today. It's a little cold. It's very sunny. Weather is a great topic for English practice. Easy words, daily use. If I meet someone, I say, good morning. How are you? Simple greetings are very important. Work or study routine. Now let's talk about work or study. Maybe you go to work, maybe you study, maybe you work from home. Whatever you do, English can be part of it. When I start working, I usually say, okay, let's start. I organize my tasks. I think, first I will do this. Then I will do that. Sometimes I feel motivated. Sometimes I feel tired. and that's okay. When I feel tired, I say, I need a short break. This is very natural English. During work, I try to stay focused, but sometimes my mind wanders. I think about food. I think about rest. I think about life. This happens to everyone. Break time conversations. Break time is important. During a break, I relax. I drink tea or coffee. I stretch my body. I look away from screens. Sometimes I say, I need to rest my eyes. Very useful sentence. If I talk to someone, the conversation is usually simple. How's your day going? Busy, but okay. Same here. Short answers are normal. You don't need long sentences. Lunchtime and food talk. Lunchtime is my favorite. I feel hungry. I say, I'm really hungry. Lunch can be rice, vegetables, meat, something light. While eating, I try not to rush. I enjoy my food. Sometimes I say, this tastes good. This is delicious. I like this. Very common expressions. After lunch, I feel relaxed. Sometimes sleepy. I feel sleepy after lunch. Everyone understands that. Afternoon energy and motivation. The afternoon can be difficult. Energy is lower, focus is harder. This is normal. When I feel low energy, I tell myself, just keep going. I don't pressure myself too much. I do my work step by step. Sometimes I listen to something calm. Sometimes I take a short walk. Movement helps the mind. Ending the workday. When work ends, I feel relief. I say, finally, work is done. This is a great feeling. I pack my things. I get ready to go home. On the way home, I think about my day. Today was productive. Today was tiring. Today was okay. All are valid. Evening routine at home. When I reach home, I feel comfortable. Home is where I relax. I change my clothes. I wash my hands and face. I say, I'm home. Such a simple sentence, but full of feeling. In the evening, I do light activities. Maybe watching something, listening to music, talking with family, resting quietly. I try not to stress myself. Dinner time conversations. Dinner is usually calm, not heavy. I eat slowly. I enjoy the moment. Sometimes I say, dinner is ready. Let's eat. After dinner, I feel full. I'm full. That was enough. Very common English. Night routine and reflection. At night, I slow down. I reduce phone usage. I relax my mind. Sometimes I think about what went well. Sometimes I think about what I can improve. I don't judge myself too much. I say, tomorrow is another day. This sentence is powerful. Before sleeping, I lie in bed. I feel tired. In a good way. I close my eyes and say, good night. Final motivation for English learners. Let me tell you something important. You don't need perfect English. You need daily English. Short sentences, real-life words, natural thinking. Your daily routine is your best teacher. You live English every day. You just don't notice it. Thank you for spending this time with me. You are doing something great for yourself. Keep listening, keep learning, keep living. I'll talk to you again very soon. Until then, take care and keep practicing English naturally.